What's up, guys? Welcome back to another gaming video. GamerGirl2000 here, and today we are gonna welcome a new member into the family. Everyone, help me welcome Cookie the Kangaroo. Now, I just hatched it after switching so many servers from the hack I told you videos ago. That's right, videos ago. So, and also, um, yeah, I got a kangaroo. Someone also traded me like some pets for free. And so today, welcome into my new house. Okay, let me dress up Cookie real quick though. Hold it. I'm just gonna name it Cookie. And I'm gonna save. And I'm gonna put this cap on him. Along with um, yeah. Yeah, just a hat on this guy. Okay, so let's welcome to my new house. And also let's welcome some new members into the family. Snowcat and a preteen and a newborn red pandas. But Cookie deserves the most welcoming because it's a legendary, y'all! Yay! Okay. Okay, guys, let's do a house tour. Welcome to my welcome to my living room, where everybody could sit on. Except for I can sit on the living room. Okay, and this is the living room, there's no kitchen though, because that's a little waste of money for a kitchen. And also, I already have like that pet feeder thing in the pets room. And this is where you can watch like TV. The TV's not that big. There's also like this table where everybody can put some of their stuff if they have nowhere else to put it. This is my cash register, so I can hold like a bunch of parties. And over here is the pets room. Right now, I'm gonna put some more stuff in it. I'm gonna decorate it off camera, but that's it. And this is my room. My room is the one with this is my room. This is a nice rug right here. Nice modern rug. Not too suede, not too blingy and fashiony. Just like a nice perfect rug. And this is my pink bed. But I think I can change colors for it. I think I'm like a nice gray or this, and just to match the rug, because this is not a pink themed room. And over here, this is like my little mini gaming station where I can game my videos and where I can also game another and a little thing for my videos. Over here, we've got like this little bathroom right here. See, Cookie loves it. This is a bathtub for the pets because I really don't trust them to shower in the shower room. This shower right here. So, because that's not a place where I can really keep an eye on the pets when it really needs to take a little shower. So I edited like this bathtub right here. Also, this is a shower for me only, for just the humans. The bathtub's for the pets. That's really, like I said, I can't really keep an eye on my precious pets right now if they take a shower in the shower thing. Over here, we've got the sink and a little cabinet where you can put your like makeup and stuff. Although, and over here, we've got some towels Yeah, we got some towels right here so everybody can wipe themselves, their bodies, their hands, even their faces and hair. And this is the toilet. Not much to say about the toilet. Where everyone, that's the toilet where everyone could just, use the bathroom. And over here is the playroom where little kids and their pets can, and basically parents can play in here. I didn't put much in here because there's not really like that much room. There's not much room to put a lot of stuff in that room. Over here we've got a parent and kid room, parent and kid slash pet room. It's a slash pet guest room. This is a guest room for someone who wants to stay in here. Well, and only one parent can stay in here. That's their bed right now. And over here we've got this crib for the parent's kid, or if the parent has a pet, they could also put the pet in there. I'm gonna change the color of this. No, no. Okay, let's edit. Done. Okay, stop editing. Oh gosh. Okay. Someone needs some sleep right now, so I'll just put that in the newsroom. Okay. Over here, the last room over here is like this is like a screen room where you can film your videos right here. If this is like a screen, the green screen room slash filming room where you can film. I can't really find any filming stuff. That was the only thing in the editing section. Okay, I'll add more to the rooms in the future in the near future. Right now, I'm gonna edit the walls. So tired. I'm a little tired today. I didn't get much sleep last night. I stayed up until midnight to watch the movies with my mom. I didn't get enough sleep last night. I woke up at like 10. That's basically like 10 hours of sleep right there. 10 hours and 16 minutes of sleep. I stay in my bed for a bit after I woke up so I can like do my phone, so I can check my Instagram and stuff. Okay, okay guys, that's it for today's gaming video. If you like this video, hit the like button, smash that subscribe button. You want to see more of these videos? Click the notification bell to see more. And thank you guys for helping me welcome Cookie the Kangaroo. Okay guys, that's it for today's video right there. Bye!